Well, it's been a while since I've gotten some eBay swag, but I got another box in recently for participating in events, so let's see what's inside. Hopefully there's no personal information in here. I don't think there usually has been in the past. What did we get? Got a sweatshirt, and it's the right size. Kind of like that. It's actually nice. It's gonna be weird having people asking what that means, but otherwise, I think that's the only branding on it. Interesting. I'm kind of surprised they went so subtle like that, because um, you did see that, and I guess as a tech person, my first thought is, must be I think it's Sony. I think it's a Sony TV thing. I think Sony does red, green, blue, and yellow for their TVs, but yeah, that's kind of nice, and it's a Gildan shirt, which I personally like. I like Gildan stuff, but that's kind of neat. What else do I get? Some tissue paper I can use for something. Thank you, and the eBay coloring. Kind of weird they'd put that on something that was going to get bent up, but it is what it is. Got a really flimsy bag, probably made out of recycled materials. It says eBay International Shipping on it, and it's not very big. I don't know what you'd use this for. It'll, I guess, go in the eBay swag pile. And we got a mystery box. Let's see what the mystery box is. I forgot to grab a knife. I didn't think about that. Oh, it's probably not very nice. Oh my, that weighs nothing. Yeah, it's definitely not a very nice scale. I think this is probably one of the lightest scales I've ever held in my hand. The platen is plastic. Case is plastic, of course. I feel like this is more of a teardown item than a item I'll use. I don't think I'll be able to show it on camera, but you can kind of see the load cell in there. It's actually a normal size load cell. I think I can just pull the platen off. Honestly, if I damage this, I'm not going to be too upset. Nope, it's on there pretty good. It might be screwed in from the inside. They were nice enough to include batteries of interesting brand. Uses 2 AA's. It's funny. They have it. It's the eBay digital shipping scale. What the hell are these though? Ponenly? Ponenly? Is this supposed to be like a really crappy knockoff of Panasonic? Because the letters aren't even close, but like that's, I don't know. Yeah, screw it. Let's I don't care about these batteries. They actually might be bad already too. You see they're swelling a little on that one. Or it's just a weird consistency thing. The heat shrink around the casing isn't the same size. Let's see, oops, if this scale, the contact is terrible. Everything about this scale is just cheap. Let's see if it works. Turns on. Unstable. Let's just zero that out. What does this box weigh? I'm gonna guess probably about 3 ounces. Oh, it's in grams. I don't know what grams are. I mean, freedom units. 2.4 hours close. So it seems to work. I don't know if I'll be using it ever, but it's interesting. Just put it back in its little box for now. Alright, what else did we get? Another mystery box. I think this is like a clip-on ring light for a phone. clip that over your camera, maybe? It's charged. Ooh, it's kind of bright, at least on camera. I don't know. Let's see if I'm skilled enough to... Oh, cool. It has multiple brightnesses, too. And it comes with a charger cable. Wow. Can't say that about an iPhone. You don't get a charger cable with your iPhone anymore, but this really crusty ring light, you know. I'm just going to pause and put it over the camera, otherwise it might be jarring. Alright, now the ring light's on. I don't know if I can tell any difference. It's, I think it's covering up the light sensor on my phone because the screen got really dark. I got a little pin. And people like to collect these kinds of things. Oh, one last thing. What did I get here? eBay international shipping. It has an expiration date on it. Is it chapstick? If it is, I'm definitely not putting it on my skin. Oh no. I'm afraid of how questionable it is. Alright, I guess we're just constructive open. Yeah, it looks like chapstick. Unless it's some sort of like sealing glue for packaging. It's not even labeled. Also, it has a safety seal. Yeah, definitely, whatever this is, it's definitely not going on the skin because that doesn't make me feel very saved. The safety seal doesn't even do anything. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's glue. I don't want to get super cancer from it. It smells like it has menthol, whatever stuff in it. I don't know what you call it. I think it's menthol, like the cream you rub on yourself when you're sick. Mentholatum. Yeah, definitely. That's going somewhere. Not on my lips, and I don't think it's glue. So maybe it's glue. Why? If it was glue, though, why would there be an expiration date? I don't know. But yeah, the ring light. Assuming it's working. I don't know. We'll see in post, I guess, because I covered up my brightness or my light sensor, so the brightness is down. But yep, nothing else. Honestly, if the box weren't, it's in decent shape still. Box might be the best part after the sweatshirt. The bag's kind of silly. I don't even know if this was meant to be something or not. Oh, Scale's holding my phone down right now because the light on the camera on my phone is making the balance of the weight different. But yeah, it's interesting. I like the sweatshirt and the ring light. I don't know. It might be an interesting gimmick. I don't know if I'll use it for what it's intended for. Let's see if I can take it off my phone without screwing everything up. There we go. Hey, my brightness is back to normal on my screen. Yeah, that might actually be the best. The second best part is the ring light, because the sweatshirt I'll probably actually use. I might wear that this winter. But this, I don't know what I'll use it for. Maybe I'll hang it on the server rack or something, and then I'll use that as a flashlight. But I don't know. Hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.